My name's Darren Moss. I'm a senior lecturer in paramedic practice. We're challenging our third year and first year undergraduate paramedic science students on an exercise called Green Fledgling. We've resourced and supported the exercise with training police officers from Cumbria Constabulary. We've got the Lancashire Fire and Rescue supporting us, and we've also got 335 Medical Evacuation Regiment, which is an Army Reserve regiment that is facilitated by paramedics, doctors, nurses, anaesthetists and so on. The students will attend 6 scenarios, both medical and traumatic, ranging from a burning building with the support of the fire service and the police to delivering an emergency birth following an assault. We've got minor RTCs, we've got drowning patients and a whole host of other scenarios going on. Supporting that, at the end of the day, we've got a 8-car RTC in which we deploy the police, the fire service, and of course the paramedics.
I'm Meg, I'm a third year paramedic student at the University of Cumbria. Today is a multi-agency assessment day where we're experiencing different scenarios that will test our clinical skills in a more realistic setting. It's been a really good learning experience. There's been multiple scenarios where I've had to use advanced life support skills, simulated hang-ins and drownings, alongside some more behavioural scenarios such as car crashes and dealing with people with reduced capacity. It's really good to experience a more clinical environment outside of the classroom. It's more realistic and it does add a bit more adrenaline to it.
Oh, it's been really good. Good to work with the other agencies, see how they work, so that when we're dealing with them out on the streets, that we know sort of what we're doing in relation to each other. It gives you a really good opportunity to help people who need it. It builds some fantastic life skills and really puts you in positions you wouldn't think you would get into.
My name is Liv, I'm a first year paramedic student. Today's been very eye-opening. There's been some proper extreme cases. I've just been working on a birth out of a car and then an assault. So we're working with the police and then the paramedics coming along. So everyone working in collaboration. It's great to see how it will be out in the world. I found it really helpful with all the exercises, going on placement, stuck in from day one, making the most out of the experiences.
The exercise was written to challenge our third years in some technical, clinical, medical and traumatic skills, and some incidents they might not see, hopefully, but to challenge them on the technicalities, including pharmacology, assessment, treatment, and importantly, leadership skills, working with the police and the fire, and making sure we have really good communication with those teams.
It's been really good to work alongside the ambulance service and see what they do, but also knowing what they want from us as police officers in them kind of situations where they need to take control.
Our students have worked incredibly hard. They arrive here at 9 o'clock, they're briefed, they go out onto their scenarios at 10 o'clock, then they move right through the whole day, one scenario after another, and leave us, hopefully, really happy at 5 o'clock, having completed the major incident.
It's been really amazing. I've just learned so much, developed as a person. Being able to work with different teams like the police and the fire is really helpful to build that kind of team approach. It's been an amazing course, so I'd definitely recommend it.